Welcome back to another episode of Tractor Roy. My name is Trent. We got this Heston 6550 and we're gonna be mowing this field. Yeah, really about it. Let's get into it. So this one just got finished up tonight. That one we did yesterday. We're kind of breaking these up just because we had some weather coming in. So we're going to call that there. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button down below. Hit the subscribe to follow along, catch some more of these videos. Gonna have a lot of hay going up, so or going down, putting up, however you want to say it. So make sure you keep up with everything that we're going to be doing. Probably throw this all into a playlist just to make it easier to find. But yeah, after this we're going to be heading into raking, some baling, and then I have probably another 140, 150 more acres to do after this. So a lot going on. So hope I'll catch you on the next one.